button. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, D, Z. Star, I, triangle, square. 1, M, 3, 4, N, 6, 7, S, 9, 10. Where is the letter C? This is the letter C. Where is the letter I? This is the letter I. Where is the number 7? This is the number 7. Where is the letter X? This is the letter X. Where is the letter K? This is the letter L. Where is the letter G? This is the letter G. Where is the letter U? Press a button. This is a monkey. This is a nail. This is a zebra. What letter comes before L? Letter K comes before letter L. What letter comes after B? Letter E comes after letter D. What letter comes after H? Where is the queen? Q, U, E, E, N, queen. Where is the vase? What letter does the word apple begin with? The word apple begins with the letter A. What letter does the word horse begin with? The word monkey begins with the letter M. What letter does the word bird begin with? The word pig begins with the letter P. What